I say you don't fear, not fear na boss. This dog dey says thanks to the power of vet index property for CSS. Now this one we did they decide which element go dey on top and which element go dey under if two elements dey on top each other. For this example now, you see say we get two boxes. Box 1 we give her red color and z index of 1, and box 2 we give am white color and z index of 2. CSS laws talk say the element with the z index dey higher na im go dey on top, and the one with the z index dey lower na im go dey under. Now why this white box dey on top of our red box? Now imagine if we change the value of this box down to -1, it go dey lower than the value of our red box, which is 1. So if both of them dey on top each other, now the one wey get the lowest value na it go dey under. Now why this white now be under the red? I go dey extend more programming concepts like this for my videos, so don't forget to like, share and follow. Thank you for your attention to this matter.